It's time to become fluent in English. Did you know that more than 93% of students who are improving their English want to be fluent more than anything else? Not just better at grammar or knowing more words, they want to be fluent. But how? Maybe you've studied for years and are great on paper, but when you have to speak, you freeze. You forget words. You're not fluent. So what do you really need? It's not that difficult. You need two things. First, you need a strong foundation. I know you might be tired of grammar books and vocabulary lists, but without them, you can't build anything. Imagine you want to build a house. You need two things: bricks and a plan for how to lay them. Your ability to speak English fluently is that house. The bricks are your vocabulary, and the plan for how to lay them is your grammar. Without these two parts, you can't build your fluency. You might say, "But I have the bricks. I've studied a lot of words and grammar, but I'm still not fluent." Let's go back to the house example. If you have all the bricks and know the plan on paper, but you've never actually built anything, will you be successful? Of course not. Why? Because you've never practiced in real life. On paper, you can draw a beautiful house, but you won't be able to build it on your first try. This brings me to the second thing you need: practice. Lots of real-world speaking practice. You can't learn to speak just by reading a book or watching a video. You have to actively speak with other people.
And that is where my personal story comes in. I'm from Russia, and my family never had the chance to travel abroad. But I learned you don't have to live in an English-speaking country to become fluent. The internet has opened up a world of opportunities. I built my fluency using 5 simple habits. Let's look at how I used real-world practice to build my house. Number 1, start your day with English. When I was a student, I had an hour-long train ride every morning. Instead of just passing the time, I used that hour to listen to English podcasts or videos. This is a technique called habit stacking. I attached my new habit of listening to English to my daily commute. Now it's so natural that I do it automatically every time I get in a car. Number 2, revise your vocabulary cards daily. In 2020, I discovered online flashcards and spaced repetition. This technology helped me learn Chinese and is still how I learn new English words today. I create new flashcards 1 day a week and then spend a few minutes every day reviewing them. This helps me remember new words so they're ready to use when I need them. Number 3, journal about your life. Journaling is great for mental health, but when I started journaling in English, it also helped me see my progress. Going back to read my old entries showed me how far I had come and gave me confidence that I was improving, even on days when I felt stuck.
4. Work on your accent. My university professor told me my English was good, but my Russian accent was very strong, so I decided to work on it. I used YouTube videos to practice specific sounds I struggled with. It took work, but it was worth it. As you can hear, I still have an accent, and that's okay, but I know I'm much closer to sounding like a native speaker.
5. Just speak, even if you feel shy. I'm an introvert, so speaking a new language was terrifying. But I learned that speaking is a skill you can train. I forced myself to go to speaking clubs at my university, and then to online groups with people from all over the world. This is the most important part of becoming fluent. You have to practice speaking with other people. Remember, the only way to achieve greatness is by embracing discomfort and stepping outside your comfort zone. That's where the magic happens. Final summary. So, to summarize everything, if you want to speak English fluently, you need 2 things: a strong foundation, your vocabulary and grammar. Remember the bricks and knowing how to lay them. Speaking practice. You need to speak, whether it's with a teacher, other students, or even an AI tool like ChatGPT. You have to practice speaking. I hope these tips and my simple habits help you on your English journey. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I will personally answer them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.